going on, YouTube? Soul Review Kicks here to do a quick review on the Retro 9 Cool Grays. As you see, I do have two of them just in case. One from Foot Locker, one from Nike. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start off with the lid. As you see, it's a flat gray lid. Alright, it is literally flat. There is no shine to it. I mean, there's a little bit of shine, but it's literally flat. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera. The bottom of the box, the bottom of the lid has got a little shiny texture, rough texture to it. Okay, let's bring out the shoe. Oh, that's a beautiful shoe. Wow. Okay, let's put that to the side real quick. Let's take out both shoes here. Put them bad boy right there. Use your paper. Nice little skirt to it. All right, we got. Ooh, okay. We got a stamp on the box. See if I can. Okay, nothing else. Nothing else is on the box. Foot Locker. All right, nice little stab wound. Nice. Okay, bring this back. Anything on the lid? Nothing is on the lid. Dimensions. I don't know if you guys can zoom in on that. There you go. All right, let's put that away. Let's take a look at the actual shoe. Wow. Okay. Nice little shoe. Yeah, these are beautiful, man. These are beautiful. Let me tell you. That's a gorgeous shoe. Alright, let's see what we got on the inside. Good old. Alright, that's wow. Inside, got the gray little sole in there. Okay. Alright, let's take this bad boy out real quick. Let's see what we get here. Sturdy, not flimsy like the fakes. And yes, it is a Dream Cell. Here are the numbers. Let's take a look at the footbed. Ooh, white footbed. Take a look at that stitching. All right, take a look at the tag. And yeah, all right. Other than that, the shoe is beautiful. Clear bottom. Now, I haven't seen any of the fakes yet physically in hand. I looked at them online. I looked at some pictures, and they look real wobbly. Yeah, so just be mindful if you buy stuff from those other resellers. I'm not going to say the name. Just be mindful. There could possibly be some fakes out there. Beautiful shoe. All right, let's get this back in. So we can end this quick little video. So again, there she is. I'll see it in its glory. Here's the Nike pair. Ooh. Ooh. Nike pair has a little different spot for the code. Okay, wow, let's have a look here. As you see, Nike's quality is not too sure what happened there, but man. All right. Foot Locker, Nike. Oh my. Wow. I don't know if you guys see that, but holy moly. Oh, loose hairs, strings. Yeah, you know, you spend $200 something plus dollars on these shoes, and you know they come scuffed up, like, you know, it's kind of irritating. Widow's Peak on there, you see it? Wow. I'm just curious. I just want to see what the bottom looks like. Let's just take a look. I guess this is a retail versus retail. Oh, wow. That looks... Wow. This one definitely... Why is this foot so... It looks so much better than the Foot Locker pair. That is crazy. Okay, anywho. Let's take a look. VP Factory. The VP Factory. Same thing here, except that you can actually read. No, you can't. Yeah, you could actually read some of the letters, but yeah, here you go. Alright, well, not too shabby, except that the Nike shoes that I got have, they have got some serious flaws to them, like, woof. The scuffs on the leather, holy moly. Alright, well, there you have it. This is my first video, actually. There's going to be plenty more. I actually purchased some Supreme Air Max 87s the other day. I got some more shoes coming in, some more heat. I wasn't able to get the Brick by Bricks or the SBs, but I was able to secure Cool Grays. So, as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. And hopefully you guys subscribe.